Being broke isn't bad luck. It isn't the economy. It isn't timing. It's a pattern you've been repeating without realizing. You told yourself it's temporary. You said next month will be different. But months turned into years. Broke is not a moment. Broke is a mindset that learned how to survive, not how to escape. You wake up late. You scroll early. You sleep tired, but not productive tired. You confuse motion with progress, busy with nothing, exhausted from avoidance. Every broke life has the same habits, excuses dressed as reasons. You don't lack money, you lack discipline when nobody is watching.
Comfort became your addiction, and comfort never made anyone wealthy. You spend like tomorrow is guaranteed, you work like it isn't. Being broke teaches you how to survive. Staying broke means you refuse to evolve. You learned how to complain before you learned how to build. Your circle normalized struggle, made poverty sound noble. They call ambition crazy because they're scared of effort. You weren't taught money, you were taught survival wages. No one told you discipline hurts before it pays. Pain avoided today becomes poverty tomorrow. Being broke is rehearsed daily by choices you pretend don't matter. You don't need motivation, you need structure. Structure beats talent.
Discipline beats motivation. Every wealthy life started boring. Early mornings, late nights, no applause. Broke people wait to feel ready. Builders move scared. You don't need luck, you need repetition. The pattern breaks the moment excuses die. You can't heal in the same habits that broke you. Your bank account reflects your standards. Raise the standard or repeat the cycle. This isn't about money, it's about identity. Who you are daily decides what you earn yearly. Stop asking why me and start asking what now. Comfort kept you broke. Commitment will set you free. No one is coming to save you. That's the good news, because now you're responsible, and responsibility creates power. The pattern ends when you decide suffering has a purpose. Discipline will feel lonely. That's how you know it's working.
Your future self is watching every excuse. Choose the pain of growth or the pain of staying broke. No more romanticizing struggle. Build. Small wins stacked daily beat dreams talked yearly. You don't rise suddenly, you rise silently. Being broke was learned, wealth is trained. Your habits are your resume. Act broke, stay broke. Act disciplined, get paid. The pattern hates pressure, apply it. You don't need a miracle, you need consistency. Broke is loud, progress is quiet. Respect the grind you don't post. The pattern breaks when quitting is no longer an option. Discipline rewires identity. You're not behind, you were just asleep. Now wake up and stay awake. This is where the pattern dies. No applause, no shortcuts, just work. Your life changes the day your habits do. Build in silence, let results speak. Being broke was a chapter, not the story. The pattern ends with you. No more phases. This is who you become. Decide once, execute daily. Discipline doesn't lie. Results don't negotiate. Being broke was a pattern. You broke it.